Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Today, we have lots of surprises.
Well, Miraculous Girl, thank you for that amazing introduction, as always. If you want to get spoilers, leaks, hints, and clues, join us on our BattleBox spoiler page. It's not about BattleBox, just about BattleBox. We do include other subscription boxes and things of that sort. It's called the BattleBox spoiler page and other outdoor stuff. We have about 1,000 subscribers, so we'd like to see you there. Anyway, I'm going to, you know what? I am going to use this Victorinox super timer that I bought in Switzerland years ago to cut open this box. If you recognize the pilfer-free tape, that should be a hint of where this box came from. Now I'm going to do show you guys what we got coming here, and then each video will be regarding that. So, we have a limited edition Alox, and this is going to be well, that would be telling. We'll take a look at that one. We also, and like the Topps catalog, my buddy also got me a Topps sticker. Victorinox, there are no frills. They don't give you any, stickers or anything, even though I'm ordering these direct from the company. I've never gotten anything from them. So we got a 91 millimeter knife. Actually, we got two, and we got this one, which I found very interesting here. My first Victorinox, or Victorinox, depending on how you say it. So, anyway, we're going to be taking a look at these. Thanks for joining us. Today, we are going to be looking at a limited edition Alox 2022 series knife. This is not... I don't have one of these, any of this particular line, as far as this blade size. This is a look at the Victorinox Hunter Pro. So, let's see. We have, and I don't know. Okay, so we have some instructions and whatnot. And it appears there's also a version I have not seen called the Hunter Pro M that has a hole in the handle. I will be on the lookout for that. So we have our card in here about this. This is the 8th year we are launching the Alox limited edition pocket knives. The range include the Classic, the Pioneer X, and the Hunter Pro. This year's models are characterized by thunder gray Alox scales. The Alox scales are punched from aluminum, embossed, and then anodized in the subsequent process stage. The Aloxal process uses anodic oxidation to create the protective layer and gives the scales color. The scale sit color. This layer of oxidite is hard and provides additional scale protection against damage and corrosion. The layer can wear depending on use. Each edition is limited to 1 year, and the corresponding year is on the back of the pocket knife. So, let's take a look at this. There it is. Isn't that... I think it's beautiful. I really like the gray. It's one of the reasons that I went ahead. I've been wanting to get one of these Hunter knives. And I really like the gray, and so I opted to go ahead and get it in the gray. There's your 2022. You have a pocket clip here. It has a lanyard hole. And right here it says Swiss made. You got the date 2022. These are not numbered, I don't believe. Now this, there is no nail nick or anything like that. For opening purposes, you just have to grab that blade and open it. And that's what it looks like. So our overall length on this is going to be about 10 1/4 inches long. There's a little oil on the blade. This is a lockback design. It is about just a hair over an inch. The blade itself is 1 inch at its widest part. There's oil on it. I haven't wiped it down yet. You press here for closing. Press right here. It's a nice looking knife. It has chimping on the back part of the blade here. Wow, that's just really nice. I'm sure it's going to be sharp. My paperwork is not. It cut better on the, well, I'm trying to do little curly cues. Not necessary. I think it's user error. It depends. These bigger knives, depending on the angle you hit the paper at, depends on your sharpness, but that's nice. I have some paracord here. This is going to be a tip up carry. Oops, I got a cut on that. Little pull through. This knife has a really nice weight to it. Little effort on the pull through, not too bad though. Let's do another slice on it. Slice is good. I'm really happy with this. I see that, and I'm the one with the hole in the blade there, which you could use the thumb open. I don't recall seeing that on anything, so it may not have been released yet. I ordered this directly from Victorinox. I like the look of it. It's a really pretty knife. And it does come with a lanyard down in the hole here, if I can get it out. It does come with a gray lanyard here, and it has a hole for that to go through. It's kind of a nice little touch. We've had a couple of lanyards with my first knife that we had just a moment ago, or at least for me it was a moment ago. For you guys, could have been a little bit longer. There we go. I need my wipey cloth. I want to clean this blade off of this oil. I like this. I like this knife. This knife has a really nice weight to it. I like the pocket clip. It says Swiss made on the blade right here. The other side says Victorinox. It has the symbol on it. You guys can see that. And on this side, the Swiss made. This is a really nice knife. I really like it. Well, guys, that is a look at this limited edition Victorinox Alox Hunter. I think this was called the Hunter Pro, and how it comes packaged and everything. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.